Do you like magic? Lots of people seems to love magic. When we talk about magic, does the fantasy series Harry Potter haunt our minds? Have you ever wondered how is it possible to fly? If you have read or watched the story of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, what exactly is the center of the entire thing? Right, it's the stone. The Sorcerer's Stone, also known as the Philosopher's Stone, was the one of the most magical objects in Harry Potter series. The red stone had the ability to turn any metal into pure gold. More importantly, it had the power to create the elixir of life, a potion that would make someone drinking it immortal. The Philosopher's Stone is something that everybody wanted to have in ancient times, because people in ancient times really believed that something like this stone existed, and since they were not able to find one, they tried to make one. So, in ancient time, people conducted several experiments to obtain such stone. However, they weren't able to do so. Instead, they were able to find number of elements during the process, and they found possible answer to the wonder of the universe through general analysis of nature, which was the beginning of chemistry and physics. Today, we are going to talk about chemistry and physics, and in this lesson, we are going to consider the following objectives. Let's start with chemistry. Chemistry is the study of matter, its composition, structure, properties, classification, states, changes, and the energy associated with these changes. When does chemistry begin? Chemistry is a science that has been around for a long time. As early as 3500 BC, in Egypt and Mesopotamia, the earliest practical knowledge of chemistry was concerned with metallurgy, pottery, and dyes. During the period 500 to 300 BC, the basic idea of elements and compounds were formulated by the Greek philosophers. About the beginning of Christian era, ancient Egyptian industrial arts and Greek philosophical speculation were fused into a new science, which is the beginning of chemistry or alchemy. The main focus of alchemists was the transmutation of ordinary metals into pure gold. Not just a regular gold though, gold that could be ingested and would cure all illnesses and make a person immortal by distilling buckets of urine. In the end, phosphorus was discovered instead of gold. Muslim conquest in 7th century AD diffused the remains of Hellenistic civilization to the Arab world. The first chemical treatises to become well known in Europe were Latin translation of Arabic works, made in Spain. Hence, it is often erroneously supposed that chemistry originated among the Arabs. Alchemy developed, wandered throughout Europe looking for patrons. Here are some well-known chemists. And now, let's proceed to physics. What is physics? Physics is a science that deals with the study of matter. It deals with the interaction of matter, force, and energy. Physics began when the first thinking creature wondered why. The first people to deal those questions on a rational basis were the Greeks. They were considered to be the founders of early physics, as they push for a better understanding of the natural world. This includes Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. In many ways, physics stems from ancient Greek philosophy and was known as natural philosophy.
Modern physics came centuries later. with the folks like Copernicus, Galileo, and Newton. During the 15th and 16th hundreds, there were many critical scientific breakthroughs during this time as people discovered more and more about